Welcome back to a Balanced Body Podcast. I'm Chris Cosby, your host. I'm an integrative health practitioner. I'm an acupressure practitioner, and I own Holistic Body Therapies. This episode, we will be discussing the digestive system, what presents when it is out of balance, and how to and suggestions on how to help bring it back into balance. So let's get started. So here we're going to go through a few items or several items on how your digestive system gets out of balance and how it presents itself. There are many different ways, but these are several of the ways that it does. So you can experience bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, pain, skin blemishes, dermatitis, mood swings, brain fog, candida overgrowth. There are more. I just wanted to touch on a few of these today. And so pay attention to when you eat. So if after you eat, if you're noticing you're getting bloated around your belly button and basically between your pelvic and your breast area, if you're getting very bloated in there, then your digestive system is out of balance. It could be many different things. It could be candida overgrowth that's causing it. It could be slow digestive system that's causing it. So just pay attention to that. Gas is also in there as well. If you have a lot of gas, your large intestine may need some balancing out. Balancing out, excuse me. Constipation, drink lots of water if you find yourself constipated. And then it's more than that, but you can start out with drinking more water to get your digestive system moving. Diarrhea, if you have diarrhea and it's more than 3 days worth of diarrhea, try activated charcoal, but you got to buy a good one because there can be heavy metals in activated charcoal. So make sure that you're buying a good quality one. I use one at times called GI Detox. I don't know the brand name of it. I'd have to look, but you can certainly find some high quality ones either online or through a health practitioner. Preferably a health practitioner than online. Pain. Pain can happen when you have gas and bloating just alone. So there could be more to that, but let's focus on the gas and bloating with that. Skin blemishes. When your digestive system is really out of balance, you will start to see skin blemishes happen, acne, dermatitis, things like that. And if it's in certain areas, it could be related to your small intestine, large intestine, depends stomach. So that's just something that you can try. And skin blemishes you need to balance out your digestive system. Dermatitis, mood swings. Dermatitis is just inflammation of the skin. Mood swings, brain fog, and candida overgrowth. Candida overgrowth will show in patches of irritated skin, and it's actually quite common. So just if you have a patch of skin that's irritated, it could be a candida overgrowth or it could be psoriasis or eczema. So just all of these are imbalances in the digestive system. Also, another thing that can be with the digestive system that's out of balance is hormones. So, if you have any of these that are presenting themselves, you know that you need to balance out your digestive system. So, here are some suggestions. Next, we'll go to some suggestions. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast and I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Okay, some solutions for your digestive tract. These are solutions that I have used and personally know work. So the first one I'm going to suggest, if you have gas and bloating, is digestive enzymes. It comes in drops and capsules. If you don't have access to high quality ones online, I have a full script account I have a massage therapy background, but I'm also an integrative health practitioner. So I have access to a full script account. And I for people who come to see me for acupressure work, or as a health coaching client. I would rather you be a health coaching client with acupressure in order to gain access to this, but sometimes I will, if somebody's really dealing with something that can help through with acupressure, I will offer them some supplements to help with that. So digestive enzymes, drops and capsules are recommended. Prebiotic and probiotic combo. The prebiotic is important because it feeds the probiotic, which produces something called postbiotic. And you want the prebiotic and the probiotic together. Many people take a probiotic, but they're not taking a prebiotic. And prebiotic is food, basically. I do have one that I've been taking recently, Super Biome. It is a great choice. I never thought I needed it as much as I did until I started taking it. And you can simply visit the link below this podcast to learn more about it on that web. Well, it's a website basically, but it's a link for the website. And then Candida drops for Candida overgrowth. Microbiome Labs. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Next thing here is Candida overgrowth. There are Candida drops to help balance that out. So I'm going to explain this a little bit. Candida creates a biofilm or a film over your intestines, and you need to break that down, that film, in order to even out, reduce the Candida overgrowth. So there's a capsule for that. There's some liquid for that. Candida drops as well. The company Boiron makes Candida pellets as well. So there are different ways to handle this. Microbiome Labs, you need a health practitioner to recommend it or send you a plan for it. I prescribe, but I'm not prescribing anything. I'm not a doctor. But I do have access to Microbiome Labs for anybody who would be interested in it. And it is a great product. I used it for over a year to help heal the little bit of leaky gut that I had from various things that I've done in my past with eating poorly and actually just some things that I've taken in the past. So Microbiome Labs offers an IgG 2000s microbiome supplement, and it helps to basically heal the leaky gut. It helps with allergies, it's a great product as well. And then they also have a mega mucosa, which also helps heal the gut more, the mucosa lining of the gut. I've taken those. I don't necessarily need those like I did, but I am doing the Super Biome every day now. Betaine HCl is for stomach acid. I've used that before. A lot of times when people get acid reflux, they think it's too much acid. It's actually, you don't necessarily have enough acid, and stomach acid is needed to break down your food. What happens is that if you don't break down your food enough, you're passing, it sounds gross, but bigger chunks into your small intestine. Your small intestine needs to absorb nutrients from the food, and it can't do that if it's too big. So, or it can do that, but it's harder for it to do it if the chunks are too big. So you want your stomach to really, really, really digest down your food to very little, and then have it move through into the small intestine so it can just absorb out and then keep it moving through into the large intestine. So it's important to break down your food, and if your stomach isn't able to do it properly, you need help. There is stomach enzymes. Betaine HCl is another one that you can use. And then Boiron homeopathics, I use them not on a daily basis, but almost on a daily basis. They have pellets and tablets. They are little tasting like chalky a little bit, but they're for a variety of different things, allergies, digestion, gas, you name it. They pretty much have something for it. And then the other option is high quality herbal teas. I can't say enough for herbal teas. They're really good. I've used traditional medicinals, and I still use them. I'm going to actually go into more like finding different teas to combine together on my own. Some people geek out on coffee stuff. I'm going to start geeking out on tea stuff because I really love tea. Paw d'Arco is great for digestive tract that needs healing. Peppermint, and there are more out there. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do to help heal your digestive or bring balance. Balance ends up bringing restoration. And when you have a restored gut, it's technically called healing, but I'm going to call it restoring. We want to restore and rebalance your gut, okay? So that's it for this. I will see you at the end to show you where you can find me. Welcome to the Tower Garden. This company is all about growing fresh, healthy produce right at home and having fun while doing it. Since 2012, they've been innovators in the aeroponic gardening, making it easy, super easy for anyone to grow their own food, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Thanks to their cutting-edge technology and expert resources, they've made it possible for tarot gardens to pop up everywhere, from homes to schools to restaurants to community gardens, and even commercial farms as well. In 2024, they became their very own independent company based in Memphis, Tennessee. They're now available in 11 markets. For them, gardening isn't just a business, it's a way of life. They're passionate about creating a community of people who love gardening as much as they do. Plant people are the best people after all. So, come join us as we are on this journey to a healthier, more sustainable future. The Tower Garden Home system allows you to easily grow your favorite produce and herbs with a vertical aeroponic garden built to grow year-round in the comfort of your own home. This Tower Garden Home system has everything you need to begin growing up to 32 plants immediately in just under 3 square feet. Eating healthy just got a whole lot simpler. Looking to grow outdoors too? The Tower Garden Home is built to withstand the elements of the great outdoors. In this picture here, the Tower Garden Home is the white one on the left. It has wheels underneath it, and it takes up a smaller space. So now the Tower Garden Flex system lets you grow more in less space. In a matter of weeks, you can take up to 20 of your favorite vegetables, herbs, and flowers from seed to harvest without soil. By using our patented aeroponic growing system, you will use less water and electricity. This versatile, self-watering growing system can be set up indoors or outdoors with the addition of our LED indoor grow lights. Your tower garden can produce healthy food year-round. The best part of this system is expandable with optional extension kits to fit even larger families' growing needs. And so this one is the one on the right with the green base. It holds 20 gallons. The one on the left holds 13 gallons. But they're great. I've been using them for over 10 years, and I grow all of the greens for my smoothies in them. And you can also do microgreens as well. So they're lovely. If you have any questions or would like to order one, you can click the link below this podcast and learn more about them and grow and buy one for yourselves. Thank you. Hello, this is how you can connect with me. You're welcome to leave me a message on my cell phone, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You can also email me, and I will get back to you. I generally take within 24-hour period. I will get back to you. You can also visit my website, and you can find me on Pinterest and Instagram. Both have the same handle. I do look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the health coaching programs that I offer, you're welcome to check out my website and connect with me, or email me, or leave me a message. You're welcome to text me too. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day.